Welcome back to Steiner Family Motorsports. As always, my name is Tim. Today I'm going to be going over a couple of the Stark issues that have been happening with the charger. Start off with is you need to take this plug apart. Make sure your 3-wire connection is good in here. Yes, I only use 3 wires, not 4. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. I'll try to tell you what I have on ground, X, and Y. They do have black going to ground here, so do not put green to ground like you normally would in the US. It's different. On this configuration, I've had no problem using the Stark adapter on 110, as well as I just ordered this. This is a 50 amp plug adapter to their 30 amp plug because for my powder coating oven, I have this 50 amp plug already in here, so it just makes it easy for me to adapt. One thing to note is there's going to be a orange light and a green light that come on depending on the status of your bike charging. Make sure you check for that. As always, stay tuned. I'll come out with a better video of the charging and a time lapse, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully your guys' Starks are working great.